Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In today's video, I will discuss some amazing kitchen cleaning gadgets that are very necessary in your daily life. And if you see these gadgets, then you will be surprised. So without delay, subscribe to the channel now and click the bell icon next to it. From powerful scrub brushes and sponges to handy sink organizers and electric scrubbers, these tools are designed to fight grease, stains, and stuck-on food with ease. I have searched and discovered all those gadgets and brought them to you. So without wasting time, watch the video completely. And our gadgets are very important to make your life happy. So let's see in the video which gadgets are on our list. Dish cleaning brush. Keep your dishes sparkling clean with the dish cleaning brush. Designed with durable bristles, this brush easily removes grease, stains, and stuck-on food without scratching your plates, pans, or cookware. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making dishwashing faster and more efficient. Perfect for everyday kitchen use, this versatile brush is also ideal for cleaning sinks, cooktop and stovetop cleaner kit. Keep your kitchen shining with the cooktop and stovetop cleaner kit. Specially designed to remove grease, burnt-on food, and stains, this kit ensures your glass, ceramic, or stainless steel surfaces stay spotless. The non-scratch formula is tough on grime but gentle on your cooktop, leaving a streak-free shine. Complete with cleaning pads and a scraper, it makes deep cleaning fast and easy. Perfect for daily maintenance or heavy-duty cleaning, this kit is a must-have for every modern kitchen. Scrub sponge. Make cleaning effortless with the scrub sponge. Built with a dual-layer design, this sponge combines a soft absorbent side for gentle wiping and a tough scrubbing side to tackle grease, stains, and stuck-on food. Perfect for dishes, pots, pans, sinks, and countertops, it delivers streak-free cleaning every time. Durable and long-lasting, the scrub sponge is lightweight, easy to hold, and safe for most cookware. An essential kitchen cleaning tool that keeps your home fresh and spotless. Kitchen dishwashing gloves. Protect your hands while cleaning with rubber kitchen dishwashing gloves. Made from high-quality, waterproof, and durable rubber, these gloves keep your hands safe from hot water, harsh detergents, and grease. The non-slip textured surface ensures a strong grip on dishes, pans, and glassware, while the soft inner lining provides comfort during long cleaning sessions. Perfect for dishwashing, kitchen cleaning, bathroom scrubbing, and even household chores, these reusable gloves are an essential tool for a hygienic and hassle-free cleaning experience. Sponge holder. Keep your sink organized and tidy with the sponge holder for kitchen sink. Made with durable, rust-resistant material, this holder provides the perfect spot to store your sponges, scrubbers, and dish brushes. Its open design allows fast drainage and quick drying, preventing bacteria buildup and bad odors. Compact yet spacious, it easily attaches to your sink or countertop, saving space and reducing clutter. A practical and stylish kitchen accessory that makes dishwashing more hygienic and convenient. Electric scrubber cleaning brush. Make kitchen cleaning faster and easier with the kitchen electric scrubber cleaning brush. This powerful tool is designed to scrub away tough grease, stains, and dirt from dishes, sinks, stovetops, and countertops in seconds. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the replaceable brush heads tackle multiple cleaning tasks with ease. Perfect for pots, pans, tiles, and even bathroom surfaces, this electric scrubber saves you time and effort. Compact, rechargeable, and water-resistant, it's a must-have gadget for every modern kitchen. Cleaning cloth. Ultra-soft material scratch-free, ultra-soft and highly absorbent microfiber cleaning cloths, great for cleaning windows, kitchenware, car, or other delicate surfaces. Absorbent lint-free, made of 85% polyester, 15% nylon. These non-abrasive cleaning rags can soak up water from the countertop and tables instantly and without lint or streaks left behind. Clean with or without water from worktops, appliances to kitchens, bathrooms, mirrors, etc., they will make your house sparkling. Tackle versatile cleaning jobs. These premium microfiber towels are also perfect dish rags which don't smell, removes grease and particles from microwave oven, plates, pots, or pans effortlessly. Not only that, you will be amazed they are also terrific duster that removes fingertips from silverware and glasses easily and leaves your kitchen spotless. Cleaning brush. Multifunctional crevice cleaning tools. This hard bristle crevice cleaning brush is specially designed to handle narrow spaces and corners, making it perfect for cleaning grout lines, shower door tracks, toilet seat hinges, kitchen sinks, faucets, shower walls, and window sills. 6 PAS colorful crevice brushes with a variety of vibrant bristle designs. These hard bristle cleaning brushes for matching different areas and tasks. This helps to organize the brushes effectively and prevent cross-contamination. High-quality material crafted from high-quality plastic and stainless steel. This crevice brush is sturdy, break-resistant, and long-lasting. The brush head is securely attached to a non-slip, wear-resistant handle for a comfortable grip. Steel wool scrubbers. Tackle tough grease and stains with steel wool scrubbers, flexible scrubber pads for cleaning dishes. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, these scrubbers easily remove baked-on food, grime, and grease from pots, pans, ovens, and grills. Their flexible design allows you to reach corners and tight spots for a thorough clean. Long-lasting and reusable, these pads are perfect for heavy-duty kitchen cleaning. Clean Duster Sponge. Damp Clean Duster Sponge. Jamie Damp Clean Duster Sponge can help you easily remove dust, debris, hair, and stains in your home so that you no longer worry about dirty cleaning. Wear-resistant and sturdy, the high-density cleaning sponge needs to be soaked and softened before each use, and it can be reused after washing and drying. The U-shaped groove design of the sponge cleaning brush is easier to remove dust particles and has strong versatility. Strong water absorption. Dense water absorption holes can absorb a large amount of water and have strong water absorption. After the dusting sponges is fully soaked, it will become softer and have better cleaning power. Package contents contains 4 pieces gray of Jamie baseboard cleaner sponges. Warm tip, pre-moistened sponge. Packaging has water vapor. Dustpan. Extendable pole design. The optional extension pole makes the broom length from 38.18 to 50.39 inches. People can choose the appropriate length according to their height. And long handle allow you to stand upright for comfortable sweeping. No more bending. Heavy-duty broom bristles. Upgraded 4-row bristles design, high-quality broom bristle construction, more dense and durable. Product is made from 20% recycled materials. Packaging is 100% biodegradable. Kellamai insists on working hard to protect the environment. Easy stand-up storage. The clip-on feature makes the broom and dustpan upright a perfect space safer. Compact storage keep your home or workspace clean and tidy. Works perfectly for multi-surface, suitable for indoor use. Self-cleaning dustpan. Teeth built-in scraper and comb/teeth for easy-to-clean broom into dustpan. Lid gap cleaning brush set. Easily clean hard-to-reach spots with the lid gap cleaning brush set. Designed with slim, durable bristles, this brush set removes dirt, grease, and crumbs from narrow gaps like pot lids, bottle caps, sink edges, and kitchen corners. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the compact design makes it easy to store and use anytime. Perfect for tackling tricky areas in your kitchen, bathroom, or household appliances. This versatile brush set is a must-have cleaning tool for a spotless home.